Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. High quality, hard decisions inside Friuli Venezia Giulia's healthcare.
Friuli Venezia Giulia's health system is strong but strained. Rising costs, aging populations, and staff shortages are forcing tough choices to prevent long-term declines, says Professor Roberto Di Leonardo.
Our region, we have a good health system, but it is suffering, as in all our nation, for two principal problems. The first one is the increasing of the cost for also increasing of the age of the person, and on the second side also the decreasing of activeness for medical doctor and nursing. This is a big problem on which we need to work and on which our region is working maybe better than other region, but the system is sure in a position of difficult that we want to manage.
Stable fares, bigger savings, public transport in Friuli Venezia Giulia stays affordable in 2026.
Friuli Venezia Giulia keeps public transport fares stable for 2026 while boosting discounts for students, families, and seniors. Bus, train, and ferry services stay integrated, cross-border routes remain unchanged, and digital ticketing makes travel easier than ever.
Trieste University, top-rated hub for research, innovation, and education.
The University of Trieste has earned top national accreditation, placing it among Italy's academic elite. Rated fully satisfactory by the country's independent evaluation agency, it stands out for excellence in teaching, research, and international engagement.
Yes, it is a great result. We are number one with the other four universities in Italy. The Bocconi University, University of Pavia, University of Modena and Reggio Emilia, and Politecnico di Torino of Turin. So this is due to a big effort done by all the community of the University of Trieste in doing all the best in all the areas, the area of research, the area of education, and the area of the impact on the territory. So the communication of science and what we do with our territory.
Trieste tourist boom, hotels full, street buzzing, and a city on the rise.
Trieste is booming this holiday season with hotels nearly sold out for New Year's Eve and tourism up more than 11%. The city is quickly becoming one of Italy's rising travel destinations, with even bigger growth ahead.
Un Natale scoppiettante, una città che attrae sempre i turisti. Oggi siamo alla vigilia di Natale, abbiamo una saturazione al 75% del sistema ricettivo triestino. Capodanno segna già un bel 97%, quindi come si diceva la città sarà al completo, e quindi anche questo dicembre porta sicuramente un elemento positivo. Registriamo sempre una buona crescita anche a doppia cifra, così giusto per dare qualche dato, alla data del 30 di ottobre di quest'anno abbiamo avuto un aumento dell'11,6% rispetto al 2024, quindi una città che si consolida come destinazione turistica.
Un grande 2025, c'è qualche novità per il 2026?
Il 2026 sarà un anno foriero di novità, e come abbiamo già avuto modo di affrontare il tema in altre occasioni, è necessario dare una regia più strutturata a questo sviluppo turistico, e ci saranno delle ottime novità che penso saranno oggetto delle dichiarazioni sul fine anno, che sicuramente ci vedranno di nuovo a raccontare la nostra città in termini turistici.
From the stage to the heart of Trieste, Ramin Karimlu honored.
Trieste has awarded its bronze medal to Ramin Karimlu, the internationally renowned star of the Phantom of the Opera, honoring both his artistic career and his role in promoting the city worldwide. Speaking at City Hall, Karimlu described Trieste as a place he has grown to love since first performing there in 2023, praising its culture, sense of community, and openness to the future. He called the city a gem to be preserved and said he now feels at home in Trieste.
I feel very honored. I didn't know what to expect with it, but I really feel a kinship with Trieste now. Not only have I been welcomed as an artist, I feel like I've been welcomed as a friend. I've made friends here with Giulio and Emilio at Adauci CrossFit. They're friends now. We keep in touch. Our families have got together. Nino and Michela Nangano, who took us in on the first day, the fruit and vegetable stall here in Trieste. We're now family friends. They traveled to England to see us. So it feels like home now.
Trieste welcomed 2026 with a free celebration of New Year's Eve in Piazza dell'Unità.
Trieste welcomed 2026 with a free New Year's Eve celebration in Piazza Unità. Live music, DJs, and midnight countdown, and fireworks over the Adriatic.
Handball returns to Trieste. Italy prepares for European glory.
Italy's national handball team will return to Trieste in January 2026 for a training camp and a friendly match against Romania. The game, scheduled for January 6 at Pala Chiarbola, will be Italy's final home match before the European Handball Championship.
L'inizio del percorso che faremo con la nazionale per arrivare ai campionati europei. E noi ci auguriamo che questo non sia semplicemente un ritorno, ma sia l'inizio di una collaborazione con la città di Trieste e con anche la regione Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Oggi abbiamo presentato un altro grande evento a Trieste a inizio gennaio, abbiamo la Corsa della Bora, il 4, i primi di gennaio, tra il 4 e il 6 abbiamo il torneo internazionale di scacchi e oggi presentiamo una bellissima amichevole di pallamano che si terrà al Pala Chiarbola il 6 gennaio, quindi una amichevole che vedrà la nostra nazionale e che è una amichevole di livello.
Santo Stefano in Trieste. Sun, wind, and holiday cheer by the sea.
Many regions dwellers are enjoying this holiday Friday in Friuli Venezia Giulia. How are you enjoying the San Stefano Day in Trieste?
I'm enjoying it by walking around the city and staying with my family because I actually live in Milan. So it's nice to be here on Christmas.
Well, I just arrived here. It's very windy. I wasn't expecting this. But we're planning to walk around the city, then go, of course, for a pizza in Spritz. And hopefully enjoy some sun.
Just having a stroll with my daughter and my niece and a friend and friend kids. So just a family day, normal family day. And yes, I had leftovers. I still have the leftovers at home, so it's fine.
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, this wind is like, sweeping off us on our feet, and it's really lovely to enjoy, walking around. We are all very well dressed, so that's the secret to enjoying the weather as it is today.
Yeah, we live in Trieste by years, so we are very happy to enjoy our Bora. We like the wind. It's too cold many times, but we love go to the pier, take a little walk. Yeah, we're really well dressed because there are a lot of wind today, but we enjoy also the sun because you have the sun on your back, you are warm, and so it's lovely.
This week, the region sparkles with holiday excitement.
From local authorities to Friuli Venezia Giulia dwellers, everyone is looking forward to spending the holiday season in the region. How are you going to be spending your Christmas holidays?
In Trieste, I have to work, I have a lot of things to do here. I have my family here, so we'll stay here these holidays.
And for New Year's as well?
Yes,
great.
Because I love Trieste and I like to spend my holidays in the town.
Capodanno.
Finalmente mi godo la famiglia, le mie 3 nipotine e lo sport perché io rilasso e anche scarico le tensioni.
Allora, in famiglia, però sempre con un occhio al porto perché io sono entrato da pochi giorni, da 2 settimane e quindi sto acquisendo tutta una serie di informazioni, per cui rimango qui a Trieste e tra l'altro abito anche vicino al porto, quindi sarà famiglia e porto, famiglia e porto.
because I love Christmas and I love the magic of Christmas, and so I stay with my family, my friends, and wish Merry Christmas to all of our city.
Doing over the holiday season?
First of all, I'm gonna visit my family in Piacenza for like 3 or 4 days, and then I'm gonna come back here. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna watch the fireworks on the Molo Dace on the night of New Year's Eve.
Over the holidays I will spend them at my home. I live near Udine, so I also probably visit some mountains over there. I will be hiking and also skiing because you have some beautiful mountains, and these are my plans.
I'm gonna work, but I also study, so I have to start studying for the exam session, so that's just what I'm going to do.
I'm actually here just for like the holidays because I'm studying like abroad, not here. But I was born here. I've been living here, so I'm just staying with my family, with my friends, something like that. Yeah, I actually don't know exactly what I'm doing.
Trieste is celebrating holidays with perfect weather. So we are asking city dwellers what it's like to spend these holidays by the sea.
Pretty nice because it's like December, so it doesn't feel like winter at all. And I'm used to the cold, so I kind of like the cold weather also. But it's nice to have a walk during December and it's hot, so it's, yeah, pretty nice.
Like for you to spend these holidays by the sea?
It's really not holidays because we live here in Trieste, but by the sea for us is like normal. It's a special gift to have a sea here, so to spend time on the sea. It's so relaxing.
Che abitiamo qui a Trieste, quindi effettivamente forse spesso e volentieri non cogliamo questa fortuna, la diamo quasi per scontato. Penso che però chi arriva qua a Trieste effettivamente sia una bella vetrina.
Austria, we have no sea, obviously, and it's always nice and like a kind of homecoming feeling also.
Definitely it's different than in the continental area. Not only that you have a sea, but also that the temperatures are higher.
So what is it like for you to spend these holidays by the sea?
Very nice. Trieste is a very beautiful city, and it's have many things to do, and great castle Miramare is excellent, and the day today is beautiful, so I'm enjoying here.
Thank you for watching Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.